What's going on, people? It's your boy widebody36. We're back at it again with another episode of the hood exit exhaust. We're gonna get right back into it. I remember I told you guys that I was gonna basically, get to it. So now today is the day. Before I get started, had to make a little errand when I got off work today. So I got a couple of things. I got a core drill. Man, my other drill, my power drill is just battery drills. It's starting to die. I'm charging it like every 30 minutes, so it was just time. I mean, it was cheap. Hey, Harbor Freight, baby. So this should do me pretty good. I ended up going to get hole saw. They're actually carbon steel. I was told by a couple of guys that was in the comments they get a hole saw. I might not need it, but I mean it might be helpful to go ahead and just kind of cut that hole a little bit better, so I won't be just cutting everywhere. I don't know why I got knee pads, but they were like $1, so why not? Grip pliers, didn't have any of those. Actually got to take this O2 off. Actually, I got to take my Innovate O2 off. It's really hard to take off. So I mean, I think that's the reason why I bought them. What else did I get? I stay breaking two drill bits, and so hopefully this will work if I need them. Got some metal zip ties so I can wrap this baby when I get time to do it. I might be able to do it today. We'll see how everything goes. It's pretty hot actually right now, man. It's probably like 102 degrees right now, and I'm sitting in the garage and I'm already about to start sweating. I think I was getting a little too fancy. I got a magnetic tool holder. So I'm gonna mount this on the wall somewhere, and then those tools are supposed to stick. Oh, actually had a little pullback on there. But yeah, spent a little money today. But as you can see, I'm getting ready to start on this in a few minutes. Like I said, it's hot, man. But I'm gonna be out here sweating like a dog, so. Not gonna. Without further ado, man, let's get started. Let's get into it. We'll get ready. All right, guys. Got the carbon hole saw tucked and snug on here, real good. Well, it was. Hold on one second. All right, let's try that. Here we go. We're about to see what this does. I'm gonna use something else real quick to get it started. Seems like it's a little bit tougher than I thought it would be, but let's see. Let me figure something out real quick. All right, I'm gonna get her started with this. Let's see how this works. I'm just trying to get it started, but you know, if it's gonna work out this way, I might do it this way. And there we have it, folks. As soon as I cut the last trim, it's just dropped right in. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So now that I got all that taken care of, man, the drill saw really didn't do nothing. This is actually baby right now. Get all the excess. I'm gonna clean it all up. And we'll check it out. So yeah, probably not a good idea to put plastic on there, but you know, I just didn't want any metal and stuff to fly in there and get in my turbo, and I would have to pay another $1,000 for another turbo. Not happening. So a little melting action don't hurt nothing. So man, that came out perfect, guys. Let me see. That came out, oh man. So yeah, I'm gonna cover those marks. So that sheet metal should do me just fine, guys. What do you think? I'm gonna paint that black. I'm gonna paint this part black too. So I'm gonna get it all cleaned up. Get it all cleaned up and get it painted. Spray it real quick and see how everything turns out. All right, guys, be right back. Guys, I did a heck of a job, man. Look at this. Perfect. I'm about to get ready to paint this. I'm gonna paint the exhaust. I took it off already, but man, this circle came out perfect. I'm gonna do the drill bits here. I'm gonna put drills here, but I'm gonna make sure I paint it real nice, and I'm gonna get my. I'm gonna do like a diamond cut. Is what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do nothing too special. I'm just gonna diamond cut it. It came out just absolutely beautiful.
Babe, can you massage my feet?
You do realize I'm live right now, babe?
Babe, please, can you massage my feet?
Close door, I'll be in there in a minute. All right, anyway, check this out, guys. Painted it real quick just to see how it looked. I'm gonna kind of paint it again. I didn't get to drill the 4 corners in yet. I just wanted to see how beautiful this thing turned out. I am so impressed how this came out. But yeah, I mean, I got plenty of them. If I do mess up on that sheet metal, I got plenty more, so it's not a big deal. But man, guys, I mean, I've outdone myself today. Don't you guys think? I mean, geez. I mean, she's going to be crazy. She is going to be freaking... Oh, what? She is going to be sexy. Oh, man. Guys, that drill saw, I mean, that hole saw didn't really help me out. I mean, maybe I wasn't using it right, but hey, as long as it got cut, I'm happy with it. But for now, guys, I appreciate you bearing with me and all the other crazy stuff that just happened. I'm widebody 36. See you guys later.